Cody Wanner?
What's up, dude?
What are you doing eating Greek food, man?
I'm just, you placed it in front of me and it looks delicious. I still don't know how to say it. Glakanabudico was fantastic. That was fantastic.
Hey, Cody, you want to grab some lunch real quick?
Lunchtime.
What do you think?
We're doing Cajun, right?
We have to. We're in Louisiana,
man. We're in Louisiana, yeah.
All right, let's go do this thing, man.
Let's get it.
There's enough space in here for you, man? You're so tall, man.
I'm a tall dude, but I scooted the seat back. I feel good.
It's a good world. Good world gone bad.
So this goes back to a while back. You posted, should I change my name from Opa to Kostas, right? Like on YouTube, should you change the channel name? And the reason I said yes is because the way that I see you is this food boss comes in to any restaurant and says like, this is what you need to fix, this is what you need. Like, you are the professional restaurateur of YouTube, right? What you are is you're saying, I am an entrepreneur who's established a successful restaurant, and I'm taking that knowledge and I'm giving it to you, and you can take that and apply it to any sort of restaurant, but even beyond that, any sort of entrepreneurship, any sort of that sort of thing. So that's like one of your buckets, right? Second bucket is you're a chef. Like, you actually have a tongue that can taste stuff. You actually know things about food. But like your podcast, it's not about being a Greek restaurant owner. It's about being a restaurant owner. It's about being an entrepreneur in the food industry in America. That's what your podcast is about, right? So like, your channel isn't your restaurant. Your channel is you and how you handle your restaurant, how you handle the pressures of being an entrepreneur and a creator, all of those things, you just doing that stuff to the world. That's how I see it.
It's always good to have a coach, always good to have a mentor, because you can't see what you're doing yourself. It takes an outsider to have like fresh eyes on the situation. You have somebody on the sidelines that's sitting back and being like, you should do this, tweak it here, tweak it there. So, dude, Cody, thanks, man. Lunch with Cody was a success. Turns out the guy can eat Cajun food. Who would ever thought, huh? He'd pop into this old, dilapidated CVS store.
So I'm speaking tomorrow, and my voice and my nose and my body is not cooperating. So a doctor gave me these drugs in order to help me get better.
I think Cody's back there getting some B-roll shots. Here I am, I'm in Louisiana, Alexandria. Away from the restaurant, away from business, chasing this YouTube pipe dream type thing. But man, I tell you, it's been just an amazing journey. Just meeting Cody really just ended the year on a high note. I was at a place where I was kind of struggling. What am I doing? Why am I here? All of those things that a lot of creators, I think, face with. And having a great mentor, having a great coach that's on the outside looking in, really just brings some clarity and focus. So thanks, Cody. Thanks, man, so much. Great collab.
Yeah, so that's really interesting to hear you say that about like the mentorship piece, because me, like, I'm just making videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But like we were talking about earlier, like when you watch someone daily, or you watch someone, like, you start to feel like you know them.
Sure.
That's a really interesting piece. So my whole reason in starting YouTube was to encourage people to do stuff. So like, to hear you say, you know, you were encouraged to get out and vlog and like do this for your brand, for your restaurant. I mean, that's awesome. That's my whole thing, you know? So yeah, when you reached out about this, I'm like, I'm coming down to Louisiana, I was doing a speaking gig, and Kostas was like, dude, I'm like 3 hours away, I could come out.
4.5 hours.
I'm like 4.5 hours, I'm like 17 hours away, I could come out. And I was like,
I probably would have.
I had just set up another collab with another guy, and then that fell through. And then because I wrote back, Kostas thought that I had said yes, but really I was saying no, which I'm proud of, because I never say no. And then I wrote back and said yes. And then, and now we're here, man. So thanks for making the drive. It's a wrap.
Yeah, man, we're having a great time. Louisiana.
Cool forest we just found.
Louisiana's a pretty dope place, huh?
Yeah.
Much success in 2019.
Thanks, man.
And just know that, I'll continue to watch and promote and share and comment and like all the things.
Yeah, dude, all the things.
Yeah, man.
Like, subscribe, ring the bell, drop a comment, maybe share it on Twitter.
There you go.
That's how I end. Like,
that's it, man. I know, right? Exactly.
He done messed up my whole joke now.
I didn't believe it. Cody, I didn't believe it.
You didn't believe him?
I didn't believe it.
I believed him. I was like, I'll delete the shot, but I cannot give you my camera.
Cody was so scared, I promise you. That was like legit fear I saw in Cody Wanner.
In the mud and you don't realize how with a walk down the alley you got me twice.
Getting all these awesome B-roll shots and seeing Louisiana and hanging out over here, it just reminds me of how great life is, and that something like this can happen to anybody. Like anybody out there that's wanting to vlog, like this can happen to anybody. I encourage you, just keep doing what you're doing. Keep grinding.
It's freaking me out, you know? And what I had to do was I was like, look, if someone comes to my channel from his channel and they don't like what I can do, I don't want them subscribing to my channel anyway, because like all I can do is what I can do. So I was like, I just gotta get out of my head, cut a video like I would always cut it, and just call it a day, and that's what I did. And then the crazy thing was it was even harder the second day, because the second day, because I was up there for 2 days.
Yeah.
The second day I was doing this video called like Grabbing Brews with Peter McKinnon or something.
Yeah.
And
you were worn out by that.
And now
I saw that in her face.
I was like
You're
delirious.
a zombie. Yeah, I saw that.
And we drank like a bunch of coffee, went right next door. I hadn't eaten anything, and we drank some beers. I'm like, I'm about to die. I thought I was gonna die.
I'm just so grateful. Great time. Awesome time in Louisiana. I think we're gonna get some dinner here soon. Should be some good dinner. And yeah, I'm gonna watch Cody speak tomorrow. Call it a wrap. I gotta edit tonight so I can keep up with Mr. Wanner, and we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck, guys. Look at that. They got lamb chops here. That's George, by the way, everybody.
What's up, you guys?
Where's your YouTube channel, George?
Focused with GK.
Focused with GK.
I'm GK, and I'm focused on my dreams. I want you guys to staying focused on your dreams too.
Focus with GK. Make sure you check him out. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel below. Go by there, show him some love, say hello. It tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken. All right. I have a restaurant. I got a family, and now I'm gonna try to do this whole YouTube thing. Like, wish me luck. Go to the more relatable, more like attainable. Right, that's what I say, you know? Yeah. So. Cody Wanner, what's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Dude, we had a great time today.
I'm exhausted. We had a very great time.
I'm very tired. Now, the only problem now is I've got to edit tonight because I got to upload before you upload.
I'm sorry, dude. I put everybody through this. Like, this is like part of working with me.
Part of hanging out with Cody Wanner. You know, it's a very small problem to have.
All right, good.
All right, so I got this.
Good. I appreciate that.
All right, man. Hey, have a good night.
Yep.
Get better. I'll see you in the morning. All right, bud? All right, take care, bud. Guys, I realized that I did not do a proper ending on the vlog. I pretty much just got done editing it. I had a great time with Cody. He's an awesome, awesome guy. If you ever get a chance to collaborate, definitely consider doing that. Yeah, so just the big takeaways. Obviously, spending time with him versus like vlogging, it kind of messed me up a little bit because I wanted to actually like be in the moment and enjoy his company. He's just such an awesome guy. But I was able to piece together a little bit of a story. I tried to do the best I can for you guys. If it's your first time here, definitely consider subscribing. Definitely would appreciate that. It means the world to me. And if you're ever in the DFW area, stop on by. I do have my own restaurant, Opa Greek Taverna, and would love to have you come in. Maybe we'll grab a gyro sandwich or a beer together. So anyway, guys, hopefully you stick around. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, peace.